Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here. Welcome back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today let's talk about the start of Taurus season, because yes, now is the end of Aries season. We're diving into a brand new zodiac season, and it happens to be the season of Taurus. So Taurus season will be covered in this video. We'll explain everything there is for you to know pretty much about what to expect during this zodiac season. What are the main topics that are being covered, what ideas is this season raising exactly, and that does not only involve people with their sun sign in Taurus. I just want to be clear, this is for everybody, this is for all of us. It's just very nice and important and good for anyone that's into astrology, just to have a bit of an overview, a bit of an idea as to what is Taurus season all about. So first of all, it's important to mention that it starts on Tuesday the 20th of March, actually April, excuse me about that. It's the 20th of April, early in the morning, especially for us here in Europe. That's going to be the date. It's basically the beginning of a new season that will be all about being in a smooth, soothing, chill state of mind. So we just finished Aries season, which was very much about that blast of energy. It was very much so about being someone that's very open, but also someone that's very active. It was about embracing that Aries energy, that initiator of the zodiac, so starting new projects, getting moving with our goals and dreams. And now with this season, we can start to chill a little bit. So we go from the yang energy, which was Aries, to a more yin energy with Taurus. So that also means that don't forget that Venus is associated with Taurus. These two are interconnected. So Venus already went last week into Taurus, which is a sign that suits her very much, and then Mercury is now going as well into Taurus. So we are very much so going into an area, a time that is going to be very stable and just grounded and chill, and with that stellium, with all those signs that are in fixed earth. It's going to be very much so about that sense of fertile earth energy, everything that Taurus is about. So very much so being grounded in the here and now, in the matter, and really working on topics and questions that are very much so about material things, concrete things, tangible things that are coming to us right now. And it's good to remind us as well to embody a little bit of Taurus's energy right now. And what is Taurus energy all about? It's about enjoyment. It's about enjoying life. It's about taking the time to appreciate all those little pleasures of life, because that's what Taurus is all about. It's about reminding ourselves, oh my God, it's so good to have a body because I can do self-care. That is Taurus, Taurus in a nutshell. And now is the time to really use those five senses to really make the most of that self-care vibe, which is everything that Taurus loves. So, take the time to appreciate, what's happening around you. Be more observant. Take the time to appreciate beautiful scents. Take the time to really touch and appreciate beautiful fabrics, things like that, or listening to beautiful, soothing and inspiring music, for example. All those little things that are really here to make you appreciate more life as an experience. Eating as well is very much something that my Taurus friends out there absolutely enjoy on a very high level. So take that time to eat more mindfully, eat slowly, enjoy more the produce that you're consuming, that you're eating, and just be more mindful and enjoy more those things and slow down. Now is the time for us to do this. And that's why we have to embody that energy of reconnecting to ourselves, reconnecting to our physical body, to our environment, to our living space, and really reminding ourselves that our bodies are our temples and they need to be well taken care of. They need to be cherished, they need to be loved, they need to be honored, because that's what you deserve. That's what it's all about, you know. So now is the time to get back into that yoga practice if it's something that you've left on the side and you felt uninspired to do so. Now you should go back to it. Now is the time to try maybe to spend a bit more time dancing, moving around, you know, maybe wear clothes that makes you feel good about yourself, that makes you feel like, you know, you're in a better state of mind. For example, there could be a lot of other things you can do. Don't forget that Taurus is very much so a sign that's associated with femininity after all. So when I mean that, it means yin energy. Of course, you know, we're not talking about man or woman here. And, you know, masculine, feminine energies are present within all of us, but it just happens to be more that type of energy with Taurus. So how maybe a great journaling prompt for you guys, if you really want to make the most out of this Taurus season, is really to ask yourself and to journal on this question here: how do you feel more connected to your feminine energy right now, especially during all this time that we were more into action and yang energy with the Aries season? So, you know, how do you feel that your connection to your feminine energy is right now? Journal on that, see how it goes for you, and let me know in the comment section below. And after all, Taurus is also a period of time that's all about, you know, self-reflection. Now is the time for us to start to contemplate things, contemplate life, you know, meditate, going for a walk, reconnect to Mother Nature, Mama Earth. Now is the time to embrace her even more. Do like what I do. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I'm all about those morning walks on the beach, you know, and that's my way of reconnecting to Mama Earth, and I love it, and it really grounds me and calms me. If you can do something similar, do it. You will love it, because that's our way to remain connected in the present moment, in the here and now, which is so important for our mental health, not just for our physical health in the sense of walking, but for your mental health. It's so important. You will feel in such a better place if you set up those little routines and habits into your life, for sure. So yeah, that would be it for today's video, guys. Please let me know in the comment section below, how does this resonate with you? What do you guys think about Taurus season? What is this period of time now calling you to do? Especially after everything we've just talked about, what resonates with you the most? Please let me know below, because I would love to know. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. That would be amazing. And as always, I thank you so much for your time and your support, and I will be talking to you very soon. See you guys.